Oh, you can watch Maggie.
You can enjoy each other's nonsense. You don't say. Well, back in my day, people never had to come with what each other. Well, Maggie, looks like I'll be taking care of... That's it, Maggie. Stay with Grandpa. Wow, we're the first people to ever ride this baby. We're like that space guy who did that moon thing.
Neil Armstrong?
No, Chewbacca.
Now enjoy the Ferris wheel, or whatever this is. What do you want?
A dish best served cold.
Is it ice cream?
No revenge!
Go!
We're on vacation. Can't you kill me on a work day?
Simpsons, get in that ride!
Forget it, Bob. We'll never... Dad!
I waited in line an hour for this thing and I'm riding it. Now hop in.
Now the last thing you'll ever see. A legally required safety video.
Here are some brief guidelines to ensure a safe and pleasant experience. When the doors open, move immediately into the vehicle boarding station. Walk, don't run. Proceed to the left and right side of the vehicle. We ask that you place all large or fragile items, including cameras and video recorders, against the wall outside the vehicle, and hold on to all loose articles. Take your seats in an orderly fashion, and please watch your head as you enter the vehicle. If you have difficulty dealing with small spaces, make the Krusty crew member aware of this before entering the vehicle. Once you are seated, please pull down on the lap bar. Please remain seated and face forward while the vehicle is in motion. Keep your arms and legs clear of the closing doors and inside the vehicle at all times. No still or motion picture photography of any kind is allowed. Thanks for your attention. Enjoy the ride.
Sweetie, that won't kill you in an amusement park as long as you have a dime left in your pocket.
There's nothing you can do! You're about to die!
You sound like my doctor!
My next big business. So anyway, where are you all going?
Bob, not only are you not killing us, I'm having fun!
Only they said to stay seated.
That's a lot of equipment! I always get things flying backwards! Hey, I can see our car! You guys haven't seen a giant steel ball, have you? You don't want to hurt me, Bo. We're both big and round and never finished high school. Save me, turret!
Welcome to a magical journey through my mouth. The kiddie ride.
At least we're safe.
Panda begs to differ! Will you shut up? Say we!
Alone at last.
I'm trying to kill the kids.
It just gets better and better.
However, because I want to be fair, a piece of advice. Resist every temptation I place in front of you. Oh, beer!
Henry, it's a temptation.
Did beer hurt anybody? Uh-oh. I hate chain reaction!
You foiled my plans for the last time!
You soiled your pants for the last time? We'll save you! Always convenient way out!
The exit sign leads to an exit! Bart! Stay away from the ramp! I'm being rammed! We... No! Foolish earthlings, don't you know all rides must end near the gift shop? My bosoms are flapping my face!
This must be the part where they take your picture. Okay, smile.
It's like 5 seconds to kill somebody. Hello, folks.
What a horrible nightmare! Thank God this ride is over.